A severe drought's causing major problems across a number of US states. Firefighters are battling a massive wildfire in Los Angeles County in California. More than 1,000 homes in the area are under threat from the drought-fueled flames which are burning out of control. Shifting winds and other adverse weather conditions are hampering efforts to tackle the fire. The Powerhouse wildfire in California's Lake Hughes area, 65 miles north of LA, has already burned across almost 20,000 acres. Almost 1,000 firefighters have been struggling to try and bring it under control. Similar scenes in New Mexico. A wildfire caused by downed power lines in the Pecos has forced the evacuation of 150 homes and consumed more than 5,000 acres of forest. Hot temperatures, extreme dry conditions and wind gusts of up to 50 miles an hour have whipped the flames through the steep mountainous terrain. One of two wildfires in the state that have closed highways and forced the evacuation of many areas, including the capital, Santa Fe. A spokesman for New Mexico's state forestry agency said they hadn't seen drought conditions like this since the 1950s.